add life to your years. The other day while stuck in traffic, may nakita kong isang nagbabike. Tapos nakalagay dun sa likod ng t-shirt niya, I ride because I want to add life to my years. Mukhang gustong-gusto niya yung nagbabike at naging source of joy niya ito. Siguro it's the exhilarating feeling of riding a bike, yung nagbibigay sa kanya ng buhay at saya at adventure. Ikaw, ano bang nakakapagpasaya sa'yo? What are the things that add life to your years? Madalas at napaka-natural ang gusto natin to add years to our life. Pero ano nga bang basihan at batayan of living a good life? Marami akong kilala na they lived a short life pero ang dami nilang nagawang maganda sa buhay nila. And we remember them. At madalas ito yung mga tao na naging generous. Ito yung mga nag-alay ng buhay nila sa service to the church or to the community or to helping other people. Nakikita ko rin marami sa mga saints natin, namatay sila, batang-bata pa. Pero the impact of their lives lasts for generations. Yes, I know, life is not easy. Minsan, it's really just about surviving. Pero naniniwala ko, darating din yung araw na magagawa mo yung gusto mo. At ito pa, mas importante, na magagawa mo yung sa tingin mo gustong ipagawa ni Lord sa'yo. And I truly believe that the best way to add life to your years is to be in the service of the Lord. Kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, do it for God. And you will see na kahit mahirap minsan, ikaw ay magiging kontento at masaya.